Hey, welcome back, it's Joseph. After purchasing a few homes as primary residence and as investment properties in both the buyers and sellers markets, directly from seller and through agents, big homes and small homes, I have learned a couple of things along the way. Here is a step-by-step guide to purchasing a home. Step 1. Determining your needs and wants. The most important factor to consider is location. Location means the economic region, the neighborhood, and how the home sits on the street. Next, decide on an existing home or a new build. Then determine the sizes and rooms you need. Write down all the features you want: big kitchen, interior designs and flow, view, yard, and extra room. Step 2. Get your finances ready. Down payment. Generally, you need to put down 20% of the price of the home as down payment, but there are programs that will allow you to put down as little as 3.5%. Now, income. If you need to borrow to pay for the home, you will need an income to qualify for a loan. Obviously, the higher your income, the more you can borrow. Debt. Existing debt will decrease your ability to borrow, as you need to service those debts on top of your mortgage. Get pre-qualified and, better yet, pre-approved. These are optional, but they make you look better as a buyer. You might want to start shopping for a lender and the title company or lawyer. You will likely save some money and pain by doing your homework. Step 3. Work with an agent. Most people use an agent to buy, especially if you're a first-time home buyer or are not familiar with the local housing market. Interview multiple agents and hire an agent. Work with someone who knows the market and has closed deals consistently. You can buy a home without an agent only if you know what you're doing. Step 4. Tour homes and ask questions. Go see and feel the homes, the neighborhoods, and sometimes you'll learn about what you like and don't like. This is the most exciting part of the home buying process. Ask questions. Why are the sellers moving? Are there any structural issues? What work and repairs have been done? Ask about the rooms, appliances, systems. Ask about current competitions and offers. Talk with your agent and significant other about how you feel and hard facts and numbers. Decide if you want to keep seeing more homes or make an offer on the home you like. Don't rush to a decision. Step 5. Valuation, offer, contract, and negotiation. Ask your agent to run a valuation called the comparative market analysis on homes you decided on. Factor in how much you like the home and the valuation. Make an offer. Usually they'll accept, reject, ignore, or counter offer based on the prices, terms, or other interested buyers. If the seller accepts, great, move on to the next steps. If the seller rejects or ignores your offer, find out why. You may want to move on or make another offer. If they counter, you can also choose to accept, reject, ignore, or counter offer, and the process continues until either of you accept or reject or ignore. Step 6. Due diligence. Now the seller and you are in contract, you should take a more serious and detailed look at the home. You'll generally receive a seller disclosure on known conditions of the home. It is strongly recommended you have an inspection done on the home by a professional. Sometimes the inspector will uncover unknown issues on the home. Don't just rely solely on the inspection. Do your own due diligence on things such as county tax records and the neighborhood. You may tour the home again to take another look. Based on what you find out in this step, you may want to renegotiate on terms such as repairs the seller needs to do or a new price. Sometimes you can walk out on the contract during the due diligence period. Step 7. Financing. If you don't need financing, you can skip this step. You should have started financing already during step 2 when you are getting your finances ready. But in this step, you'll find and work with a lender. You'll start an application, locking an interest rate on the mortgage, provide a whole bunch of documents to get the lender comfortable lending to you. The lender will send out an appraiser to make sure that in case you can't pay back the mortgage, the home is worth enough money when they take the home as the collateral. Again, sometimes a buyer walks out when financing doesn't go well. Step 8. Closing. Assuming the due diligence and financing went through, you'll close on the home. You'll coordinate with the title office or lawyer on the details of the closing. Sign the papers, send over the funds, and the county will record the transaction and new ownership. Then you get the keys. Step 9. Moving and miscellaneous. Get your home services moved or started. This includes electricity, gas, water, garbage collection, mail, and internet. Change your addresses with work, banks, ID, etc. Then move your stuff. This is also a good time to make sure you organize all the documents on the home purchase for taxes and personal records. Congratulations, you have bought a home. For more housing and real estate resources, please check out my website at richlyeverafter.com. Thanks for watching. If you find any value in this video, please like and share this with others. I'll see you next time.